Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City.
Midwestern dad moment. Standing right in front of the biggest window in your house while the storm rolls through.
At 11:36 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 17 nautical miles southwest of Joliet to 47 nautical miles south of Aurora, moving northeast at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, those could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly land waves. The tornado warning remains in effect until midnight.